In this video, I will talk about how you can earn money by selling your articles on websites. If you are a writer looking for ways to monetize your skills or just someone who wants to make some extra cash, then this video is for you. Firstly, we have DotWriter.com. This website is perfect for writers who are just starting out and want to build up their portfolio. DotWriter.com pays you a fixed amount per word for your articles, which can range from $0.01 to $0.1 depending on your writing level. The website also has a great community of writers who are always willing to give feedback and support. Secondly, we have ConstantContent.com. This website is great for more experienced writers who are looking to earn higher rates for their articles. Constant Content offers a marketplace where writers can sell their articles to buyers who are looking for high quality content. The website also allows writers to set their own prices, which can range from $50 to $500 per article. Third on our list is HubPages.com. This website is unique in that it allows writers to create their own content and publish it on the website. HubPages pays writers based on the number of views their articles receive, which means that the more popular your articles are, the more money you can earn. This website also has a great community of writers who can provide feedback and support. Lastly, we have WriterAccess.com. This website is perfect for writers who are looking for a more steady stream of income. WriterAccess offers freelance writing opportunities for writers who want to work on a project-by-project basis. This website also offers a variety of writing assignments, including blog posts, product descriptions, and more. So these are the 4 websites where you can earn money by selling your articles. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.